you know, drink a little drink, just to get away from all this shit. Start smoking weed to get away, to forget, to get high, to relax. Putting of